Hi guys, Fantasma house, and I'm very excited. Amazon came back in 1992 on the BBC. There was a live ghost show way before all like Ghost Adventures and even Most Haunted, and it has been released in America on DVD and Blu-ray. I got the Blu-ray. Wasn't going to do a box opening, but it's huge, collector's edition. Obviously I'm talking about GHOSTWATCH. And there it is. I don't need to be holding the knife, I've already opened the bag. But look how thick it is, like a box set. So I'm kind of curious what is going to be in here. I mean, look, there's like a book and everything. I literally just thought it was going to be the Blu-ray. I didn't realise it was going to be this big old thick thing. So yeah, I actually watched it live when it was on TV back in the days. Obviously I was one of the many people that thought it was real, because yes, it's fake. But at the time everyone thought it was real. They banned it because people were so panicking about it. The BBC had 30,000 complaints saying it was traumatizing their kids. They were traumatized. There was even a guy that commits suicide because after watching it, he was obsessed with ghosts. Women were going into labor. But yeah, so I'm gonna open this up. This is quite a bonus. So I'm gonna open it up and see what all the stuff is, because I literally, like I said, I just thought it's gonna be a... That bit's come off. Don't know why that bit's not attached. So just to recap, this was on Halloween night 1992. This DVD, I can't believe we got this, is amazing. GHOSTWATCH. Is Parky on the front? He's not even on the front. Mike Smith and Sarah Green, that were famous TV presenters in England, and Michael Parkinson, but where's Parky? But there's the DVD, Blu-ray, but I'm curious to see what else was in here. Oh, it's got like cards. I don't want to break the this is amazing. They like made quite the effort. I don't really want to break this, but yeah. There's Craig Charles, obviously named for, what was it? Smeg, you know what I'm talking about? Red, I can't remember. You know what I'm talking about, the Craig Charles thing with the space. Mike Smith used to host Top of the Pops, amongst other things. There he is, Michael Parkinson, chat show host at Legend. I might have to frame one, he'd just be ridiculous. I think that was the woman that was the I actually don't know who that is. I mean, it's been 30 years since it was on. But, yep, her. I guess that's the ghost. I think it was called like Pipes or something like that. I can't wait to watch this again. Sarah Green, there she is. And back to him. What was he, Mike Smith. Was there one I missed? No. But yeah, that's super nice little crazy. So put that back in there. So I just looked at this to see what this was. It's like a book. book here. Don't say on the side. Maybe I should read the back actually. I'll read the back and then tell you what it is, but let's read the back. And then another book. This is probably like the nicest collector's edition I've ever seen. Bits from the movie, the series. This is amazing. There they are all together. Right. Special features. Okay, I'm gonna read this and then I'll come back on. Okay, put the light on a bit more. This book is a limited edition booklet, extra sensory perception management. So kind of maybe dim this light 'cause it's very bright. So that's kind of odd but very cool. But it's got kind of a bit puzzled by that. And then the other book is how it happened. I mean, you would think it would say on the front, but yeah, they've really gone to town on this box set. I'm sure most people in America have never heard of this, but like I said, for years and years, everyone thought it was real. People panicked. So I wonder if the DVD you get this, or just a Blu-ray. Okay, let me open this. Still weird it's got an art park on the front, isn't it? But yeah. But these cars are amazing. I don't know where they put Craig Charles on the front. Very cool. So you get the Blu-ray, you get the nice box that comes in, you get these cards of everyone in it, you get this book, and this book. Very cool indeed. So, I mean, I definitely recommend it, even though it's come out now. Well, it came out quite soon that it wasn't real, but people were so traumatized by it. I mean, some vicar phoned up because it was a live. You could phone up live when it was happening. It was like a live TV show, and people would phone up and say, "Oh, I saw this, or I saw the shadow, or I saw blah blah blah." And some vicar panicked and said that that the BBC unleashed a demon onto the world. But yeah, this is the 30th anniversary. I mean, this is crazy. I never would have thought, like, when I watched this 30 years later, I'll be doing a box opening. But yeah, very excited. I'm going to put it on. I'll show you the beginning. But that was it. Because I don't want copyright strikes also. Get it yourself. we go. Red Dwarf, that was a Craig Charles thing. Okay, let me just go along the extras. Do you believe in ghosts? Commentary with film historian, commentary with filmmaker, shooting reality, subtitles. There's not that many extras. Okay, let me just play. I won't play any sounds, so I want copyright strikes. But here we go. I love how it's not widescreen, they did it like pan and scan. Screen 1. Michael Parkinson in. And I've stopped you there, Parky, but yeah, that was it. Fantasma House, checking out the brand new 30-year anniversary Ghostwatch Blu-ray, also available on DVD. Obviously I bought it, I'm not doing an infomercial for it, but I'm just super excited because I haven't seen this for 30 years and it is an actual classic. I mean, you watch it now, I better watch it now and I'd be like, okay, that seems so fake. But obviously back then, like I said, there was no ghost shows, all that kind of stuff. 30 years ago. It's amazing. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.